So here we have a LED lamp, and this lamp that we have is a Mars Hydro. So I don't know whether you guys have ever heard of this company before. It's fairly new, bit like all of the other 500,000 companies on the market at the moment. They've all got the best equipment, their light's the best, their light saves as much as electricity than anything else, and it can improve your yields by double, blah 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 blah. The truth is, we don't really know any of this stuff. However, at NPK Technology, we've been dedicated to using LEDs and giving you some feedback. Currently, we have been testing the Budmaster 2, the GOD also, kind LEDs, the K5 and the K1000. We've just received this Mars Hydro LED. So basically, we've went from the top of the scale, from kind LED and Budmaster, and we've sort of dwindled our way down, trying to bypass the crappy products that don't actually work at all, which has led us to this Mars Hydro, which is considerably a lot cheaper than some of the LEDs on the market. We're just putting it through our testing, and we will give you some more feedback on that in the future.